In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start ChatGPT in just a few simple steps, even if you've never used it before. If you want a quick and easy walkthrough, you're in the right place. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to ChatGPT in your web browser. You can open the official ChatGPT website on your computer or mobile device. Once the page loads, you'll see the main sign-in screen. If you already have an account, you can log in right away. If you're brand new, simply click Sign Up to create your account. If you already have access, click Log In and enter your details. This is the first step to getting started, and it only takes a moment. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the ChatGPT home screen. From here, look for the New Chat button. This is where you begin a fresh conversation with the AI. Click New Chat, and ChatGPT will open a blank chat window for you. This is useful when you want to start a new topic, ask a different question, or keep your conversations organized. Now it's time for the fun part. In the message box, type your question or prompt. You can ask ChatGPT almost anything, from writing help to explanations, ideas, summaries, or step-by-step guidance. For example, you could type, "Explain AI in simple words." Then press Enter or click the Send button to submit your question. ChatGPT will think for a moment and generate a response based on what you asked. If the answer isn't quite what you wanted, you can keep the conversation going. Ask it to make the explanation simpler, longer, shorter, more detailed, or easier to understand. The more specific you are, the better the results you'll usually get. You can also start another new chat anytime if you want to begin with a fresh topic. That's really all there is to it. Just start ChatGPT, go to the site, sign up or log in, click New Chat, and type your question. It's one of the easiest ways to begin using AI for everyday tasks, learning, writing, and brainstorming. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.